If you would like to redial a previously dialed number, press the Redial button. The Redial feature stores up to 100 of the last dialed numbers. Use the up and down arrows on the navigation button to cycle through the list. With an entry highlighted, you can dial the number, delete the entry, or delete all entries. The callers list is a stored log of incoming calls containing up to 200 entries. It stores the name, if available, phone number, call time, date, and missed or answered call status. The callers list displays from the newest incoming calls to the oldest incoming calls and is grouped by date. Use the up and down arrows on the navigation button to cycle through the callers list. You can dial the number by going off hook, edit the name and number. You can delete the entry or all entries. Press the right navigation arrow to show details about the call. If available, Picture ID will display.